Oh, fish on. There we go. Yeah. We are at Ashton Reservoir in Ashton, Idaho. The North Fork of the Henry's Fork dumps in here. The takeout for the drift is here. And then a couple miles downstream is the dam. So this is all kind of a backwater situation. Lots of brown trout, lots of rainbow trout. Some cutthroat trout up in here. Little one. Oh, right there. They're hitting them close to the boat. It's a fish. It's a rainbow fish. It's a fish. Oh, he came off. It's all right. We call that LDR, long distance release. Fish on! Feels like a little bit bigger. Hard to tell though. Oh yeah, a little bit bigger. Not huge. Yeah. Okay. The fish. That cracks me up. Oh, fish on. Alright, just a little guy. Oh, fish on again. There we go. Oh, no. I missed that one. He was on and I didn't set it. Oh, he came off again. Good grief. Oh, he swam right. I saw him do it. He swam right up there. He pulled off right when he saw the boat. There's caddis coming up too. I see him starting to eat topwater. I'll switch over to the fly. Start throwing some caddis at them. But right now they're still pretty heavy subsurface. But there's definitely a caddis hatch starting. There it goes. Nah, I got that one for sure. Little guy. There he is. Ah. He's off. Ooh, good hit, good hit. Oh my goodness. This is Troutzilla, guys. He's at least 3 inches big. And he LDR'd himself. That's good. Nobody can see how small that was. It's kind of nice. There's a lot of people out on the banks here today, and it's about time. People are done quarantining. Here's a good fish. It's a good bite. Let's see what we got going on here. Another rainbow. Well, I think with these little ones, they are feisty. Good grief. There you go. Oh, good grief. God, he followed that right to the boat. He swiped at it and didn't hook. Damn. He actually tried to eat it. Good for you. So most of these guys that we're catching today are stalker fish. Just little guys, about 2 weeks ago, maybe 3. They put quite a few in here, and I think they stay pretty close in this little section of the reservoir here. But everything's about the same size, I don't know, 10, 12. Definitely stocked, which is just fine for a day like this. So we're out today in the Old Town 106 Topwater series. I really like this kayak quite a bit. For what I'm doing with them, mostly rivers. Do a little bit of small reservoirs, small lakes. It handles really well. It's a little bit bigger. Not much bigger, but definitely bigger. That's him right there. I'm gonna let him go. Yeah, he was out a little bit longer than I like. That was a LDR on purpose. No, it wasn't. We're kind of working this 300-400 yard stretch. Again, all stock trout, which is fine. They're real aggressive right now, though. They're hitting. We're at that time of day where we're going to start seeing all the drift boats come down, making their way downstream on this North Fork section. Generally, that's a 6 to 8 hour float, kind of depending on how the fishing is. Oh, you hit it right at the boat. Boy, they're literally falling right to the edge of the water. Another little guy. Hell, 6 inches. Colors are really pretty on them, though. Going down. 6, 8, somewhere in there. And he's off. This side of the river is really shallow, and the fish today, at least, they're not up in the shallows. They're still down pretty low. We're kind of in the early part of mid-May, and the stoneflies are starting to move a little bit. Traditionally, you start seeing stonefly hatches here on the Henrys, at least down this low. Middle, late May. We're getting to that point, but not quite yet. Little guy. Good hit. Oh yeah, I think he feels a little better. If I said that about 20 times though, and they're all about the same size. Little kid down here caught a fish. He's pretty damn excited. That's awesome.